Video. Oh, hi. Hello. Welcome to the show. We got one hammering and 3 or 4 other ones right here. Hey, bud. Top of the morning to you. Top of the morning to you. An early one. It is. Did you lock your truck? Negative. We're off to Ohio. It's early. Opening day. Here we are. Just got geared up. April 24th here in Ohio. We're gonna start hiking back. We've had 3 or 4 trucks pass already this morning. We are on public land. Yes.
It is
you
cold.
Heard it, public land, and it is freezing.
You can see
it's
the breath.
5 o'clock. It is 36 degrees. You can see your breath. Wrap this up and get walking because we have a little bit of a hike.
Here we go.
Here we go. Oh, hi. Hello. Welcome to the show. We got one hammering and 3 or 4 other ones right here. So stick with us. Oh, he's coming, dude. He's coming. Straight ahead, straight down the dump. Careful. I have to shoot him there whenever you get a chance. Hold on. He's gotta go away, dude. He's going to the right. He's going to the left. He's getting ready to go down the hill. You can shoot him, Let me see. All right. Damn, man.
What do you have to say, mister?
Wow, that was pretty intense. He come up the first time after them jakes went through. He come up, poked his head up for a minute maybe, and he took off out of the blue, just for no reason. He just took off. We're sitting here BSing, trying to think why he took off. Lane starts calling again. Hammers. Bah! And then them jakes were literally right.
Yeah, they
They were 20 yards to our
Yeah.
right. He
They
would
were
gobble,
helping.
and
They were helping.
yeah, they stayed
They
right
would-
there this whole time,
yeah.
and he come sneaking back up here again, and
Rest was history.
thankfully,
That's awesome. First day here in Ohio, South Zone, getting it done.
got it done.
I think it's, what time is it?
I don't know. 7:58.
There you go, 7:58. We got a bird down. We heard what, probably 10 to 15 different birds.
Oh, at least.
And,
Yeah.
I mean, all in distance.
Yeah.
I mean, there was a lot of distant birds, but
Ton.
I think we might have heard 2 other shots, and that's it, 2 or 3 other shots. And
Got him
dude,
down.
that's awesome.
Long bird
buddy.
down.
Long bird down. Heck yeah, dude. That's freaking beautiful. Thank you.
Heck yeah, brother. That's what it's all about.
Dude,
That's what it's all about.
you got a freaking rope on him too.
He does.
That thing's thick.
How about that? Ooh. Man, what a morning here in Ohio. Wow, 2 beautiful longbeards.
Oh yeah.
Man, what a hunt. I'll tell you what,
It started right off the rip too. I mean,
Yeah.
it didn't.
we're here in the South Zone of Ohio. It comes in first before the north zone. There's only a couple counties declaring north zone in Ohio. He sealed the deal, and and then it wasn't shortly after that. Actually, during gunfire, we heard birds in the distance, and I said, you know what? Let's move a little bit closer to the ridge, so when they peek up over that ridge like his did, we'll be just that much closer. And we moved probably 20 yards from where we were originally set up, moved the decoys ahead, got everything set up, and just sat there. And it wasn't, what, an hour and a half? Hour and a half later?
We just kind of sat, and they were still firing off.
Yeah, every 10 to 15 minutes they'd gobble, I'd answer them, a hen come in, and I just told Ryan, watch him skirt this ridge, come right over to us. And again, it wasn't a few seconds after I said that, I caught a glimpse, and this boy was just trying to get around on that hen and trying to skirt up above us. And we caught him before the slipping happened, and
didn't work out in his favor today.
No, gave us a little run for our money for the video, and getting a gun swung on him. Actually, he caught me. He started to get a little nervous, and he caught me swinging, and I had to take a quick shot, and I was able to get a few BBs in him.
Got some paintbrushes dangling here, that's for sure. Don't forget about
snoods.
Don't forget about the snoods. Hairy too.
Hairy snoods. It's always good.
Can't beat it.
Long beards and hairy snoods.
What more can you ask for?
Not much.
Not much.
Boy, I just love hunting these things.
It's so exciting. It's just non-stop action, especially on a morning like today, where it's been chilly the past couple mornings, and then today, just what, 10 degree difference in temperature for the better, and you can definitely tell a difference.
Back to PA with a couple butter balls that are gonna eat really well.
Oh yeah. Hammers.